Hey everyone, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm in my home away from home, New Orleans, and we are currently in the Spanish Plaza heading towards the Riverwalk Mall, which runs along the Mississippi. Spanish Plaza is home to the Creole Queen, which is a paddle boat that goes up and down the Mississippi. Not quite as big as the Natchez, and it's not steam driven, it's diesel driven, but it's a nice ship just the same. Spanish Plaza is going through some renovations, so the water features are not turned on right now, and you'll see some areas fenced off, but I'm sure it's going to look beautiful in just a short time. Riverwalk Mall runs right along the Mississippi, and it's not a upscale mall, but what makes it attractive is that it contains a lot of local retailers as well as stores that you don't see in other malls around the country. Let's check some of them out. Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the Crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. It's pretty early in the morning and it's already hot and humid, and I have to say there is nothing like walking into an air-conditioned building when you've been out for even just a few minutes in this heat and humidity. The Riverwalk is a very long mall. It's one of the longest malls I've ever walked, and although it's long, it's only one story high. You might have to take some escalators to get up, but it's just up to another level. It doesn't really go to a second floor. You'll never see a balcony or anything in this mall. As we go deeper into the mall, you'll see what I'm talking about as far as unique and local retailers. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you'll see what I'm talking about as we continue walking. By the way, stay tuned because Riverwalk has one of the best food courts, especially for local food establishments, that I've ever seen in a mall. If you want to check out the Café du Monde and you don't want to wait on lines, well, this satellite store is about half a mile away. It's not quite the same thing. The beignets and coffee are the same, but the atmosphere is obviously totally different in a mall. Ooh, look, a bar in New Orleans. Who would have thought? And again, although we're going up an escalator, we're just going up to another one-story level. And this is the cool part of the mall where the stores start getting very local and regional, and you don't see them anywhere else in malls around the country. We're going to stop in a couple of these places on our way back. Again, another level up, but never a two-story building. You'll see in this video a lot of stores named NOLA Kitchen, NOLA T-shirts, and in my other videos, NOLA this and NOLA that. NOLA actually stands for New Orleans, Louisiana. Hot Topic, New Balance, Claire's. Again, we're back to some national mall stores. And here we are at the food court, possibly the best area of this mall. And Annie's aside, all of these food court vendors you just can't find in national malls across the country. No matter how busy this food court gets and what time of the day it is, you're always guaranteed a seat. There's so many tables and chairs here, and the view is incredible of the Mississippi River. Mardi Gras Masquerade is one of several souvenir shops here in the mall that sell things that are unusual and unique outside the Bourbon Street Canal area of the French Quarter of New Orleans. You might find something and say, how in the world am I going to get this on the plane? But just ask. A lot of places will ship it directly to your home. This place is loaded with stuff, and it's a lot more inexpensive than you'll find in the middle of the French Quarter along Bourbon Street, Royal Street, and Canal Street. You walk around the heart of the French Quarter, and all the t-shirts look the same in all the souvenir shops, but here in the Riverwalk, they're all different in every store that you go into. Now, while these souvenirs and t-shirts are less expensive than they are in the heart of the French Quarter, they're a little bit more expensive than you'll find in the French Market, which is where you get the cheapest souvenirs and t-shirts, and you can haggle down in the French Market too. Check out that video on this channel. If you're into hot sauces, New Orleans is hot sauce ground zero as far as the nation's concerned. It's also home to the Tabasco Company. A special shout out to Wise Malik, who's a loyal subscriber and a regular viewer and is very good at catching all my mascots, hidden mascots in these videos. He just became a grandfather, so congratulations, Wise Malik. Obviously, this store is all about Louisiana cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.